In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and edit drop-down lists in Google Sheets. To get started, open your Google Sheet. This is the sheet where you want your drop-down list to appear. Drop-down lists are really useful when you want to keep data organized and consistent because they let people choose from preset options instead of typing everything manually. Once your sheet is open, go to the top menu and click on Insert. This menu contains a variety of tools you can add to your sheet, and one of them is the drop-down feature. From the Insert menu, click on Drop-down. As soon as you do that, Google Sheets will open the drop-down setup panel where you can begin creating the list of options you want people to choose from. Now click into the first field and type your first drop-down label. This label is the first option that will appear in your list, so make sure it clearly describes the choice you want to include. Keep the wording short and easy to recognize, especially if the list will be used frequently. Next, click into the second field and type your second drop-down label. This works the same way as the first one. At this stage, you're simply building out the choices that will appear in the menu. If you already know the full set of options you want to use, this process becomes very quick. After that, click on the color drop-down next to each label and assign a color to it. This is optional in terms of function, but it's very helpful visually. Colors can make your sheet easier to scan, and they can also help distinguish categories, statuses, or priorities at a glance. If you want to include more choices, click on Add Another Item, then continue adding as many drop-down items as you need. This gives you flexibility to build a simple list with just a few options, or a more detailed one depending on your workflow. Just make sure each item is named clearly, so the final list stays easy to use. When your list is ready, click on Done. This saves the drop-down and places it into your selected cell in the sheet. Finally, click on the drop-down that appears in your sheet. You should now see the full list of options you added. This is a good moment to test it and make sure everything looks the way you want. If the labels and colors are clear, your drop-down is ready to use. And that's how to create and edit drop-down lists in Google Sheets.